The name Dr. Richard L. Collins is well known throughout the state. He's a leading orthopedic surgeon and has chaired most of the area's medical associations throughout his 4 decades in the Valley. He's also known as an all-around good sport, lending his professional expertise and his zest for life to sporting events and teams, from the Fiesta Bowl to Major League Baseball to equestrian units of local law enforcement groups. Originally from Boston, Dick Collins attended the oldest high school in the country, Boston Latin School, then did his undergraduate work at Notre Dame and MIT. After graduating from New Jersey College of Medicine in 1963, he spent 6 years in the U.S. Public Health Services, earning the rank of lieutenant commander. During his public health service tenure, he served on a ship that surveyed the Gulf of Alaska, completed his orthopedic residency at Tulane University, then came to Phoenix as a staff member at the Phoenix Indian Hospital. In the late 1960s, Dr. Collins left the Public Health Service, entered private practice, and affiliated with the then Scottsdale Baptist Hospital, now Scottsdale Healthcare, where he has been since 1969. In September 1971, Dr. Collins started Scottsdale Orthopedic Surgeons in downtown Scottsdale, where he continues to practice today. Scottsdale Orthopedic Surgeons has quintupled its professional staff from 1 to 5 physicians and increased its staff from 1 to 14. He also served as medical director for Health South Sports Medicine and Rehabilitation from 1989 to 1999, was an adjunct clinical professor of physical therapy at Northern Arizona University, and a clinical instructor in orthopedic surgery at Maricopa Medical Center from 1968 to 1981, where he was the Outstanding Teaching Surgeon of the Year in 1976. Early in his medical training and career, Dick met and married Mary Lee Bunnell. Together they had 3 daughters, Kelly, Sandy, and Nancy. Well known and loved throughout Scottsdale, tragically, Mary Lee succumbed to leukemia in 1988. 4 years later, Dick married Peggy Freshour, then owner of Palo Verde Physical Therapy in Scottsdale, and gained 2 stepsons, Matt and Mitch. Together, Dick and Peggy have 2 grandchildren. Although his surgical practice kept him very busy, Dr. Collins has always been eager to serve his profession and his community in numerous ways. At Scottsdale Healthcare, he served as chief of the emergency department, chief of surgery, and officer of the organization and editor of the medical staff newspaper Scope for 12 years. In 1980, Dr. Collins became the first Scottsdale physician to be elected president of the Maricopa County Medical Society. In 1988, he became the first Scottsdale physician to be elected president of the Arizona Medical Association. For the past 13 years, Dr. Collins has been one of the 3 delegates from Arizona to the American Medical Association. He also serves as the counselor from Arizona to the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons and has been president of the Catholic Physicians Guild. For his professional service and accomplishments, he's been honored with the Fred Minton Medal for Leadership in Organized Medicine, the Wyatt Ayers Outstanding Community Service Award, and the Sportsman Award. Dick Collins is an accomplished horseman. He's been a deputy sheriff in the Scottsdale Mounted Sheriff's Posse since 1978 and founded the U.S. Marshals Posse, District of Arizona in 1988, serving as its first president. He's also served as president of the White Mountain Range Riders. During the 1984 Olympics in Los Angeles, he was in charge of 1/3 of the cross-country course in the equestrian events. Dick has also served as a director, or on the advisory board, of the Boys and Girls Club of Scottsdale since 1982. He graduated in Class 7 of Scottsdale Leadership and later served on the organization's advisory board. After several years on its board, Dick served as president of the Scottsdale Chamber of Commerce in 1990-91, the year the chamber moved from the Little Red Schoolhouse into its present Scottsdale Mall location. He also remembers that the chamber was active in studying the Canal Bank project and light rail during his year as president. He has also been a director in a brokerage house, Arma Financial Services. A Scottsdale Charo since 1982, he's been honored as Charo of the Year and received the group's Outstanding Contribution to Education Award for initiating the Charo Scholarship Program for Scottsdale High School students. He's been active with the Fiesta Bowl since 1981, chairing the Fiesta Bowl Marathon in 1984. He's been a Yellow Jacket on the Game Operations Committee since 1991 and team physician to the Fiesta Bowl for 17 years. In 2003, he received the Frank Snell Lifetime Achievement Award for his longtime Fiesta Bowl service. He's also been the team physician to the Insight Bowl during its 4 years in the Valley. Dr. Collins has also been an orthopedic consultant to Major League Baseball, including the San Francisco Giants and the Oakland A's, for a cumulative 40 years, and is a member of the Major League Baseball Physicians Association. He's proud to have helped his teams earn 4 championship rings, and even more proud to have made a good bit of his living in professional athletics, specifically as a knee surgeon. He's also proud to be the first living physician to be inducted into the Scottsdale History Hall of Fame.